In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add training examples in Teachable Machine. By the end, you'll know exactly how to collect clear, useful audio samples that set your model up for success. First, head to Teachable Machine with google.com in your browser. From there, you can either start a new project or open one you've already saved. This walkthrough focuses on audio projects, so make sure you're working in an audio project workspace. In Teachable Machine, your audio model learns from classes. These are the categories you want it to recognize, like different words, sounds, or ambient noise. You'll be adding examples to these classes so the model understands what each one sounds like. Below each class, you'll see options to record or upload. Click Record to capture audio directly with your microphone. Before you start, try to minimize background noise and speak or make the sound at a consistent distance from your mic. Short clips work best here. Think quick phrases, syllables, or brief sounds that last a second or two. Record a few short clips for the class, then listen back if needed to confirm they're clear. If one sounds distorted or too quiet, it's fine to redo it. Aim for natural variety across your recordings. For spoken words, try different speeds, tones, and energy levels. For non-speech sounds, vary how you produce them slightly, like a soft snap versus a louder one. This variety helps the model generalize and recognize the class in real-world conditions. Keep an eye on your input level. If it's peaking, lower your volume or step back slightly. If it's too quiet, move closer or speak up. If you already have audio files saved, click Upload below the class instead. Select the files that belong to that class, and they'll appear just like the recorded examples. This is handy if you collected samples ahead of time or you're standardizing across multiple sessions. Make sure the uploaded clips match the class label to avoid confusing the model. Continue adding more recordings or uploads until you have enough examples for each class. A balanced set matters. Try to keep a similar number of examples per class so the model doesn't favor one over another. Quality also counts more than sheer quantity, so prioritize clear, representative clips with a bit of natural variation. That's it. You visited the site, opened or created your project, clicked record or upload below each class, captured several short, clean clips, and repeated until you had a solid set of examples. With those in place, your audio project is ready for the next stage.